Did you know that there are over 400 species of birds in the USA? So I've done some research and compiled a list of the top 7 most colorful birds in the USA. And you won't believe how beautiful some of them are. Number 7. The yellow warbler. These little birds are absolutely stunning with their bright yellow bodies and black masks. Number 6. The blue jay. With its bright blue feathers and white underparts, this bird really stands out. Number 5. The American goldfinch. These little birds are like tiny rainbows. Number 4. The green heron. This bird has the most beautiful iridescent green back and neck. Number 3. The rainbow lorikeet. This bird is a true jewel of the sky with its vibrant colors. Number 2. The red-headed woodpecker. This bird's head is a fiery red, almost like a burning ember. And the most colorful bird in the USA is, drumroll please, the male cardinal. These birds are just so incredibly red. It's almost otherworldly. Now these are just my personal favorites. So comment below with your favorite colorful bird.